I had lots of meetings with smart money folks over the past couple of days, and one of the stocks that has continued to come up is shares of AMD. This is a stock that's basically gone vertical over the past couple of weeks or so, and it's a stock that I think is quite dangerous to chase here right now. So I wanted to just quickly go through it, make sure that people understand the risks of buying a stock after such a big move right here, right now, and maybe even if you're aggressive, kind of look at this on the short side for a trade, although that is certainly a little bit more aggressive. So let's flip the camera around and go here. And so if we look at the chart of AMD, again, this is advanced micro devices, what you can see is that, and I need to make sure this isn't too blurry. What you can see is that the stock has essentially gone vertical over the past few weeks, and there's a reason for it. There was news, and that's all very good. But if you look at it here, just even through the lens of a very simple moving average convergence divergence, you can see that the stock is way extended above its moving average. That's what this indicator is telling you, and it's really dangerous, in my opinion, to chase a stock higher like that. It doesn't mean the stock ultimately can't go higher through the course of months or quarters ahead, but right now chasing it higher to the upside I think is very dangerous. And so this is one of the conversations, or like I said, it's one of the stocks that I was talking to my smart money clients to, that we were looking at it. We were looking for opportunities to kind of balance out the book, to maybe even go short versus some longer term, some longs they have, almost like as a hedge, if you will. So what we've done for folks is dramatically reduce the long positions in this stock, and actually for some of the more aggressive accounts actually gone a little bit short in very small size. So if you look at this now and you kind of look at it on the weekly chart, you'll see that on the weekly chart so far, and we still have one more trading day left, i.e. today for this week, and let me zoom in, you can see that we're starting to get buyer exhaustion for now basically almost 3 weeks in a row. So we had buyer exhaustion signals here, long week again last week, and again this week. And usually when you see that for 2 weeks in a row or so, it starts to get very, very tired. So I think the stock here is probably capped on the upside for right now. I'm not sure the stock has what it takes to recapture, say, 34, 35. And I would suspect the stock is probably going to trade within a range of about 35 to 25. Again, I'm not suggesting one goes short this. I think that's a more aggressive call, but I do think it's a stock that is certainly not something that I would be buying on the long side over here. Now, I want to also make sure you know this. If you're in Texas or you're anywhere actually for that matter, make sure to join us for our next workshop and trader meetup. It's going to take place in Dallas, Texas, October 12th. To the 14th. Do yourself a favor, attend this. It's going to dramatically change the way you invest and trade. Not only is it fun, but we're going to teach you all sorts of great income strategies for you to make money from an income perspective in the stock market. Make sure you have capital gains over time. Make sure you understand how to stay out of trouble when the markets shift. It's great. You're going to meet a lot of people. Please make sure to sign up as soon as possible. Dallas, Texas, October 12th to the 14th. The link is down below in the comment section or in the email if you're getting this by email. So I hope to see as many of you as possible in Dallas, Texas, but certainly if you're in the Texas area, it would make a lot of sense for you to join this. I guarantee you're not going to be disappointed. These are major turning points for most people in their trading career. So I'll see you guys there, and I'll see you next week.